Hey, Jason79 here, and I'm testing out some properties of these guys' explosive attack. Okay. So the crater is like fairly not all that big. I wonder if that thing mines resources. I think that just bugged and why did those okay. Okay, as we can see, their blasts do not really stack with each other. Under normal circumstances, their blasts don't stack with each other. They just like all fire lots of bullets. Okay, let's see what. Yeah, see, basically their blasts don't stack with each other. Now, where is it? Test room 2. Now, however, there's a way to get their blasts to actually stack with each other. And that is to use a normal, anything that normally, that you can craft anything you can craft, up the explosives will stack. Right? Like when you use lots of dynamite and put it close together, the dynamite will stack, blast will stack. So, whoops. So, okay, that didn't work that didn't do what I expected it to do. Mainly, maybe because not all of them got blown at the same time. Let's try that again. Yeah, as you can see, I duplicated that save lots of times to try and make sure it works. Okay, they Bilbo. Okay. 1 Okay, I'm just repeating what I did when I got it to it last time. Yeah, now that's a pretty big crater. Somehow or other, like, yeah, adding multiple explosives to the mix cause those attacus explosion to stack with each other. How useful is that? Not very, but you just might want to be careful when dropping explosives near these guys, because instead of like lots of little blasts, you might end up with one big mega blast. Okay, that's it. Jason Red 79 signing.